Awesome, welcome to the Totally Exploited, aka your girlfriend favorite TV presenter. Big up to my man behind cameras, big up to my bosses in Boston, and big up to every person who follows me on social media platforms. Mukola nyo cha amai, abana Uganda abali e Boston, Miami, USA, Canada. Mukola nyo cha amai nyo chiwo kuchiberamu kugamba muba mulinze tayila yingira odino olugambo celebrity gossip. Nenga lero nabagambe nasazeyo Western side and I'm live with DJ Giftology on the ones and twos. Oyo kabaka oyo assassinator tugenda mufunako on a short clip. Nenga Giftology ngina bagamba ku programs ezakola ya printing t-shirts. I think you can even still view the t-shirts. Aina programs zinji zakola, aina like 3 or 4 5 clubs zaberamu. Nenga ngenda zishoteninga abela ku ice launch every Sunday na kuba Sunday groove. If at all this is the t-shirt in a Sunday groove, if at all somewhere okulaba that is the word inside. So every Sunday abela ku ice launch okwasaganye eche chintu then wamala aitaye kabale na chikubamu ne dance policy. That is the thing, dance policy jabero at Kuba every Wednesday. Abero wali abera ne surprise artists, drinks ziberawo, goodies to win ochitegera. So if at all you love this man, go and support him every Sunday ice launch, every Wednesday genda kabalo so come supporting ku Mr. Bar abero na chikuba with surprise artists aina ne goodies zabagaba ne t-shirts ogendo osobola okuwangula ogendo no wangula ne tugenda soka tumufunemu on one in a little bit for a short interview. Asoka tugambemu njagala soke abuuze ku bana Uganda abali living at the other side ababuuze ko bubuuza tubereze mu ne program tubako olugambo nga bulijjo. So Giftology soko buuze ku bana Uganda abali diaspora abali Boston, Miami, USA tubereze mu ne program.
Hey yo, what's up my fans out there? Hey, my name is DJ Giftology, the music assassinator. Hey, waboli omunyankore nakola musya abaganda je muri mugamba ki ekintu mukikube nafe we tuli tukikube eno. Yeah.
Awesome. Kati Gift soko bagambe ku program zokola club zoba okola mu kugamba abana Uganda if baba babwe basobola kujja ne bakusupportinga balire mu program yo ya Sunday olokusatu oberawa, Sunday oberawa, other days oberawa mudakika nga 2.
Oh yeah. So every Sunday ebera groove night waliku ice lounge Mbarara. Every Sunday Bajita Sunday groove hosted by DJ Giftology, that's me. Then every Wednesday to Thursday Mr. Bar, we call it dance policy. Yeah.
Okay. Oyo wamita DJ Giftology agenda bera munga akuba music ye nga nange mbakuba wano olugambo okitegera. If you are out boyingira mu Uganda ngo yagala supporting DJ Giftology Sunday musange ku IC olokusatu musange kabale mupatinge queens ba Slay Queens Slay Kings ono yachikwata mu kweche chintu. So ngena tandikira one byange ngabulijo celebrity gossip. Sad note ngena tandika n'olugambo luliko olugambo lwa so sad because I can't believe this but it's a thing. Sina chengeno kola but that's a thing. So our man none other than Douglas Rwanga has finally come out on his social media platform natugamba engambo zone zibade zitambula. Some week emwe mabega twalaba social media platform nga abantu batandika otulaba NTV da BT nga batingizawo program naye nga Douglas tachakola. So Douglas Rwanga, he has been off air for a moment of time. Abageza ko mutukirira ne bagamba Douglas yabagamba nti mulwadde bichi but today he has come out and uttered out the truth. He has quit NTV. So yagenze ku social media platform natukakaza amazima nti he is no longer working with NTV. Gana mawule si marungi kunze as a presenter cause nze nakulanga ndaba Douglas. I've started seeing Douglas nga I wanted to be like him. So he's my mentor. Sema na mogera ko nnyo naye nga I don't know even what to say, but that's the truth. But Douglas nkusabira mikisa myerere, I know you're planning a very huge thing for us and for the fans of Papa Pate. Atugambye amazima Papa Pate genda berezamu by April agenda full my time table. Agenda full my time table by April atugambe Papa Pate ngeje tugono jetambuzamu. So bafanizi ba NTV da beat, sorry for that, but Douglas is no more era yagenze ku Twitter n'asiima NTV n'asiima ne management yona ne ba fans. In his words agambe, it was such a great journey and experience for me. I had a great time working with you, NTV Uganda, and I give God the glory for all the milestones we achieved together. My journey at NTV The Beat ends here and the career continues. So, nchimanyi nti Douglas avude ku NTV, but bayuko kuluk agenda kibeeramu agenda funa n'omulimu omulala oguddako. Sole to him zo agenda kirwaninga mpola mu magezi. So and even sorry to me cause nze abadde mentor wange, abadde mukama wange, abadde everything to me cause I wanted to be like him. But still we shall continue in the same business. Then next olugambo olulala oluliko ngenda soka nsime congratulations to Mr. Ali. No, Mr. Ali, not Mr. Julio. That is from B2C. Leero afunyeyo omwaka omulala. Today was his birthday and bamunaziza nga bwobitegere bya birthday simanyi oba muganda wange emyaka kati eri mmeka okitegeera naye nga nkimanyi leero bweto bwakikubye n'akibeereramu in that side. Ngamba mu background olimba muluwulira olwo balita Bad Wine, Megatoni ne DJ Giftology. Still continuing. Gano gava mu nkambi ya Kyadondo East. Honorable Kyagulanyi Ssentamu aka His Excellency Bob Wine. Congrats to our man. First, Bob Wine yabeerawo mu ntalo za radio n'amala n'afa, olunaku radio yafa. Bob Wine was among the people abarusikiwinga omulambo gwa radio from Case Clinic to Mulago, from Mulago even to home. Afterwards Bob Wine yafuna yali alina okugenda wabweru. He didn't happen to be at the burial just because yali alina byalina okwasaganya wabweru. So to my understanding gengenzo okufuna leero agenzo sanga Bob Wine yagenze ku Harvard University. Harvard University sanzibwa mu America. I think it's a university ngekwasaganya abakabiboka. To my surprise, Bob Wine is pursuing a degree that side. Agenda graduating that is 9 February. Kong is my boss. Kong is my I don't know. Our honorable. Nenga course is asoma. But now I don't know. It's concerning leadership. Atali mu planning abantu be Kyadondo na Uganda at large. But to my surprise, batugambye amazima nti mweli esomero oba eyo university jali musawa zino Harvard University. If I told you have been on social media, Harvard University aina basanze there are 17 political leaders, asomye ne ba senator ba Nigeria, even American army officers. So Harvard University is a university ngetwala abantu abanene. So that means Bob Wine is so important. The big figure mu Uganda sawa zino kubanga omusajja walanga atuse kweyo level. Katumulinde alimu final exams, alimu kola exams eyo Harvard University atenga on 9 February agenda kibeeramu akoleki akimalirize agraduating amale emisomoje. Ostegela eno program is sponsored by DJ Giftology nga bulijjo tugenda mubeereramu buli soja agenda obeerawo tugenda nga tutambula naye Western Tour wabeera ku Ice tubeerewo wabeera ku Mr. Bar tugenda beerawo tumusupporting tumubeererewo buli kimu kyonna. Tuchabereza muno olugambo banaye. I'm still on Tile Exploited aka your girlfriend favorite TV presenter BUA TV. Big up to my man oyo mumanyi Scorpion ali mu Dubai nchimanyi abeerawo okufollowinga buli kimu that is happening on social media platforms atabeerawo okufollowinga Tyler. So more to that agava mu nkambi ya Good Life Steve ebikwatagana ne radio okufa kwa radio Steve twalabyeko on social media platform twalabyeko olugambo olulaga nti a man who was behind radio's this was caught and this is the man if I told you on social media and this is the man gwe batugambye nti ono omusajja akoze eki ye yakute oba ye muntu eyali behind radio's this. But to my surprise ono omusajja bamutute nakola statement ninga statement gyaleeta nga ye nkambwe endala yagambye amazima nti ye yaliwo ku bbaala naye si ye yatta nti they were seated on a table radio nachankalana nayiwa nakwata whisky nagiira manager babamusa ne bamufulumya nti naye yafuluma ng'abalala yagenda otukabwe nasanga radio yali wansi. So banange nabagambe nzikira if I told you remember my last clip I did banayiganda sagala bababuuse ono omusajja n'engeri gyafaananamu if at all you follow this man ono omusajja tasobola kuta radio. There might be something they are trying to track around okitegeera because after all of this even in Washington yavuddeyo n'atugamba amazima. Washington came out n'agamba nti this one is the guy who killed radio. Why did Washington appear after ono omusajja amaze omukwata bw'abanayiganda ndagala mukyebuuza why did he appear after? That is first. Secondly, why did Washington lie? Buba bulimba nti Kulumbe yaliwo era bamuyita ku muzindaalo kugamba janyonyole teyanyonyola nti yaliwo alina 15 bodyguards for what? Bwamanyi nti mazima tatya why didn't he come on phone? Why didn't he come up? Nayogera amazima osinga okutulimbalimba ebyobusiru. Nze wemanga ndi poliisi ya Uganda I would arrest this man Washington atunyonyole. Nze kimanyi Washington si yatta nenga he knows the person who was behind. Ebiro byokutugamba Pamela manya Pamela yayita radio namuyita mukabala bichi all those birugambo they are trying to make your mind off kubajja kumulamwa nenga Ugandans keep online tuino kunonya what totally killed this man of ours. That is none other than radio. Tongero musabira jali awumure mirembe banaye kugamba fe abali waguru tubereze muno okusukuma ebiriwo okitegeera kubanga banange tu 18 mwaka si mwangu Butute Douglas as our mentor, as a person who has been at least on top, is a popular renowned TV presenter. Nange guyizo kuntwala very soon simanyi musabire nnyo if at all you don't even see me again on microphone simanyi nga temukyandaba ku mbe mwino okwebuuza kubanga guno omwaka ngutidde nange guyinza ngutidde banaye Gutute Radio Gutute Douglas okitegeera. So big up on yourself guys. Nze ngenda beera nga mbatuusako buli kumuzo batugambe the man is arrested. Also Washington naye bamuarrestinze I don't know for the case of Pamela oyo omukazi yamuyita n'otunulira ne Pamela oyinza n'okukaaba tosobola kikiriza nti she was dealing with radio nenga ku BUETV olugambo olwo nange nze ngenda banga ndo batuusako katulinde tulabe polisi yatugambye nti egenda bamwongezayo bamututa entebe balabe kyebagenda omusaliramu nga epasona eyatta okitegeera. So nga nkigala nga nkimaliriza banaye nga in the background we have none other than Martin featuring DJ Giftology ono bayita oluyimba ngamba if at all you are a westerner osobola kubanga olutegeera. It's Martin featuring DJ Giftology. Babeerawo the artists that support this man in everything. So banaye nga nkigala nga nkomekereza kyaleero I want to shout out to every person at least for everything you're doing. Thanks for that and thanks for being there with me. Okitegeera BUETV we are the leading media channel for Ugandans in diaspora. Kanchimalize ekyaleero tugenda kuddamu tukwatagana at any time. Still Tyler on the mic and Blyton behind the cameras. I sign out.